Personal hygiene is a set of practices and habits that individuals engage in to maintain cleanliness and promote overall health. These practices are essential for preventing the spread of illness, fostering a positive self-image, and contributing to a sense of well-being. Here are key aspects of personal hygiene. Hand hygiene. Hand washing. Regular hand washing is crucial to prevent the spread of germs and infections. Use soap and water, and scrub hands for at least 20 seconds, especially after using the bathroom, before eating, and after coughing or sneezing. Hand sanitizing. In situations where soap and water are not available, using an alcohol-based hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol can be an effective alternative. Oral hygiene. Brushing teeth. Brush teeth at least twice a day using fluoride toothpaste to remove plaque and prevent cavities. Regular dental checkups. Schedule regular dental checkups to identify and address any oral health issues. Bathing and showering. Frequency. Bathe or shower regularly to keep the skin clean. The frequency may vary based on personal preferences, climate, and physical activity levels. Use of soap. Use soap or body wash to cleanse the entire body, paying attention to areas prone to sweat and bacteria buildup. Hair care. Shampooing. Wash hair regularly with shampoo to remove oil, dirt, and sweat. Brushing. Brush hair to remove tangles and distribute natural oils. Clothing and laundry. Clean clothing. Wear clean clothes to prevent the accumulation of bacteria and odors. Regular laundry. Wash clothes, bed linens, and towels regularly to maintain cleanliness. Nail care. Trimming. Keep nails clean and trimmed to prevent the buildup of dirt and bacteria. Caring for eyes and ears. Eye care. Practice good eye hygiene, such as avoiding touching the eyes with dirty hands and removing eye makeup before bed. Genital and perineal hygiene. Regular washing. Maintain cleanliness in the genital and perineal areas to prevent infections. Foot care. Clean feet. Wash feet regularly, especially between toes, and keep toenails trim. Footwear. Wear clean and breathable shoes to prevent fungal infections. Maintaining good personal hygiene is crucial for overall health, preventing the spread of infectious diseases, and promoting a sense of well-being. Thank you for watching video.